Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise with this finger that of the triangle ABC. Do we know that this AB is equal AC and AE equal AD, that this angle BAD is equal 30 degree and this angle CDE equal 8 degree. Find the values of A. Do you know how to show this? If you know, please do it. When you do it or read this, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, this we know that H is equal angle ADC and minus this angle ADE. Okay, but we know that the angle ADE is equal angle AED because it's the isosceles of triangle. Okay, so now this we have this equality, so we get this equality. Now we get is equal angle ADC and minus angle AED. But we know that angle AED is equal this angle EDC. Okay, but we know that this equal angle ADC and minus this, we know this equal angle EDC and plus angle C. Okay, and this equal H, so it's equal angle ADC and minus this H and minus this angle C. And notice this we change it to the left hand side, we get this H and this plus H, we get 2H. Okay, 2H is equal angle ADC and minus angle C. Okay, now this angle ADC is equal angle BAD is equal to angle DAB and plus this angle B. Okay, angle B and minus angle C. But we know that this AB equal AC, so the angle B and angle B is equal. So this we get this, we can cancel this. Okay, so now this equal this, DAB is equal 30 degree. And so this 2H equals 30 degree. So we can find the values of H equals 30 degree and divide by 2 and equal 15 degrees. Thus H equal 15 degrees is our answer. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.